Tonight, your brain is either cleaning itself or building Alzheimer's protein. Which one happens depends on this. Can lack of sleep actually increase the risk of Alzheimer's disease? Most people assume the answer is no. But researchers have discovered that poor sleep and Alzheimer's have a two-way relationship that most doctors never fully explain. Poor sleep may accelerate the buildup of toxic proteins in your brain, and those toxic proteins may then damage the areas of the brain responsible for producing healthy sleep. Over time, this creates a cycle. That is why sleep is increasingly being viewed as one of the most important factors in maintaining brain health as we age. So what exactly is beta-amyloid, and why are scientists paying so much attention to it? Beta-amyloid is a small protein fragment naturally produced by your brain cells every single day. In a healthy brain, these proteins are continuously cleared away during deep sleep. But when deep sleep is disrupted consistently, beta-amyloid begins to accumulate. It sticks together. It forms plaques outside brain cells. And those plaques are one of the primary hallmarks of Alzheimer's disease. Having some beta-amyloid in your brain does not automatically mean you will develop Alzheimer's. But deep sleep acts like a cleaning system for the brain. And when deep sleep is disrupted night after night, beta-amyloid may gradually build up over time. There is a second toxic protein that most people have never heard of. It is called tau. Tau protein normally helps maintain the internal structure of your nerve cells. But in Alzheimer's disease, tau proteins become abnormal and form twisted fibers inside brain cells. As these tangles spread, communication between brain cells begins to fail. Over many years, this process contributes to memory loss and cognitive decline. Can one single night of poor sleep actually affect your brain? One bad night will not cause Alzheimer's. But some studies have shown temporary increases in beta-amyloid levels after even one night of sleep deprivation. Fortunately, these short-term changes are usually reversible once normal sleep is restored. The bigger concern is not one bad night. It is years of chronically poor sleep. Because over time, repeated sleep disruption may gradually affect brain health in ways that are silent, cumulative, and largely invisible until much later. Why do people forget names more often after 50? And when should you actually be concerned? Occasionally forgetting names or misplacing keys is common with aging. It does not necessarily indicate dementia. Several factors contribute to age-related memory changes after 50. Reduced deep sleep, increased stress, poor sleep quality, certain medications, depression, hearing loss, reduced physical activity. The aging brain may take longer to retrieve information, but the information itself is usually still there. Normal aging slows memory retrieval. Alzheimer's disease affects the ability to store and preserve memories altogether. Understanding that difference is one reason why sleep health becomes so important after age 50. But when does forgetfulness cross the line from normal aging into something that requires medical attention? Mild forgetfulness can be completely normal. Occasionally forgetting names, misplacing items, walking into a room and forgetting why you went in. These experiences are common and are not automatically alarming. In a moment, we will talk about 7 things you can start doing tonight to protect your brain. But first, there is an important difference between normal forgetfulness and the warning signs that should never be ignored. These warning signs deserve medical evaluation. Repeating the same questions multiple times in a single conversation. Getting lost in familiar places you have known for years. Difficulty managing finances or following simple instructions. Significant personality or behavior changes. Forgetting the names of close family members. These symptoms are not considered normal aging. If you or someone you love is experiencing these, please see a doctor without delay. How does your brain actually turn what you experience today into a memory that lasts? Think of your hippocampus as your brain's temporary storage center. Throughout the day, new information is collected and held there. But during deep sleep, your brain repeatedly transfers important memories from the hippocampus to the cerebral cortex, where they become permanently stored. Sleep is essentially your brain's save button. Without enough deep sleep, memories may never become permanently stored. They simply fade. This is why getting good sleep after learning something new is not wasted time. It is when the real learning actually happens. Do dreams actually serve a purpose? During REM sleep, your brain becomes highly active. This stage helps process emotional experiences from the day, strengthen certain memories, improve learning, build creative connections between ideas, and reduce the emotional intensity of difficult experiences. Many people over 50 report that they no longer dream the way they used to. This is not a coincidence. As deep sleep and REM sleep decline with age, the brain loses progressively more of this critical restoration time. Dreaming may allow your brain to organize information, process experiences, and prepare you emotionally for the next day. Protecting REM sleep after 50 is not just about rest. It is about protecting who you are. Can good sleep actually help protect brain health as you age? Sleep is not a guaranteed protection against dementia, but it may be one of the most important foundations of healthy aging. Sleep works together with regular exercise, blood pressure control, diabetes management, maintaining a healthy weight, social engagement, and staying mentally active. There is no single magic solution against cognitive decline, but protecting your sleep is one of the most powerful steps available to you. Sleep is not a luxury. It is one of the foundations of healthy aging. Memory is not only built while you are awake, it is protected while you sleep. So here are 7 things you can start doing tonight to protect your brain. 1. Set your bedroom temperature to between 65 and 68 degrees Fahrenheit, or 18 to 20 degrees Celsius. Your brain transitions into deep sleep more efficiently in a cool environment. 2. Go outside within 30 minutes of waking for 10 minutes of natural light. No sunglasses. This resets your body clock and improves melatonin timing for that night. 3. Stop all screens at least 1 hour before bed. Blue light delays melatonin release, making deep sleep significantly harder to reach after 50. 4. Some people ask about supplements such as magnesium glycinate. While some individuals report better sleep, scientific evidence remains mixed, and supplements should always be discussed with your doctor before starting. 5. Certain over-the-counter sleep medications containing diphenhydramine, such as Benadryl or Xyquil, may interfere with sleep quality and have been associated with cognitive concerns in older adults. If you regularly rely on these products, ask your healthcare provider about safer alternatives. 6. If you snore, wake with headaches, or feel exhausted regardless of sleep duration, ask your doctor about a sleep study for sleep apnea. 7. Look into CBT-I, cognitive behavioral therapy for insomnia. It is the most effective treatment for chronic insomnia according to major medical organizations worldwide. Free programs are available online. Your brain is doing extraordinary work for you every single night. Give it the deep natural sleep it needs, and it will protect your memory, your identity, and your health for years to come. If this video gave you something valuable, please hit the like button. Subscribe to ClearMed Life every week for clear, honest health information designed specifically for people over 50. Better health, better aging, better life.